Hey
嘿，各
everyone!
位，
Have you
你
ever
有没
wondered
有
why,
想过，
as we walk
为
down
什
the
么我
street
们每
every
天
day,
走
the
在路
manhole
上，
covers we
脚里
step
踩
on
的清
are
一
almost
色
all
全都是
uniformly
圆
circular?
形的。
Why aren't they cool triangles? Or perhaps more stable-looking squares? This isn't just for aesthetics. Behind this, there is actually some very impressive math, logic, and lazy wisdom involved. Today, we are going to break down this mysterious logic that even big companies love to ask in interviews. First of all, the most crucial reason is that a circular cover will absolutely never fall in. Think about it, if a manhole cover were square, even though it usually sits perfectly fine, if you were to tip the cover up, align it with the diagonal of the square openings and tilt it slightly, the cover would fall straight down into the deep hole with a thud. This is because the diagonal of a square is longer than its sides. Imagine if an engineer were working below and the cover accidentally fell down. The consequences would be unthinkable. But circles are different. The diameter of a circle, no matter which angle you look from, is always the exact same length. So no matter how you turn it, stand it up, or try to shove it in, a circular cover will always be caught by the rim of the opening. It will never fall through and hit someone. In geometry, this is called a curve of constant width, and the circle is the most perfect example. The second reason is to save the backs of the construction workers. Manhole covers are usually made of cast iron, making them incredibly heavy. One could easily weigh 50 to 60 kilograms. If it were a square cover, a worker moving it to the side would have to drag or carry it, which is very exhausting. But a circular cover can just be stood up like a wheel, and a single person can easily roll it away. Furthermore, when putting the cover back, a circle requires no alignment whatsoever. If it were square, you would have to rotate it to align the four corners before it could be closed. With a circular one, just aim for the center and drop it. It fits perfectly from any angle. For a sweating worker in a rush to finish, this is simply a brilliant invention. The final reason has to do with durability. Thousands of cars drive over these covers every single day. If the covers had sharp corners like triangles or squares, the pressure would concentrate on those points. Over time, those corners would be very prone to cracking. However, a circle can distribute the car's pressure evenly across every part of its edge. Therefore, circular manhole covers are the most pressure-resistant and durable. So that is why manhole covers are always circular. It combines the safety of geometry, the efficiency of physics, and engineering durability. Next time you're walking and see a manhole cover, take a moment to think about it. This seemingly ordinary disc is actually the optimal solution humanity devised for the sake of safety and efficiency. If you happen to spot a square manhole covered on the road, remember to observe what it's being used for and share it with me in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.